Señor Olivier Arrindell, quata proprietario de aerolínea Ava Airways, está muy contento de estar aquí. Insomma, ella será un deal muy importante que compañía Zimmerman Agency, una compañía que hace diferente promoción internacional para diferentes aerolíneas internacionales. Isso significa que Ava Airways também está caindo em lista para promocionar uma aerolínea que pronto lo vai dar um alívio forte para inteiro o pueblo de Korsou, Aruba e também Bonaire.
Well, nós temos acuerdo de PR marketing. Por exemplo, nós temos aerolínea, mas vai passar that we're going to be flying to Latin America, Central America, the United States. So PR is essential. So marketing and PR is very important for us, and we decided to give the Zimmerman Group the opportunity to sign an agreement with us, and we were pretty much happy about it. Yeah.
The Zimmerman Group, what can you tell us about the Zimmerman Group?
Agency, sorry about that. Zimmerman Agency represents a lot of big clients, hotels, Renaissance. They've worked in the past with Lufthansa, American Airlines on the branding and different, opportunities. And, for Ava Airways, PR is very important. As you can see, the tourism is dying in Curacao. Hotels are crying. The marketing budget of the tourism board is limited. So for us, we think that with Ava Airways we'll contribute tremendously towards the PR and marketing, because Ava Airways will have a hub here. So everything that we do from a PR perspective, that's what we're thinking. We're a brand, and that's what we're developing, a brand. And the deal was it's a hefty deal. It's a two-figure deal. It's a big contract, but it's going to benefit us all on the island. Yeah.